I seen the sun come out, been stuck in the rain. I had thoughts inside of my head, losing my head, but I maintain. Lost my dog, but I ain't shed tears. He really did, and that can't change. But as long as I'm still here, you gon' still live through all my name. I seen the sun come out, been stuck in the rain. I had thoughts inside of my head, losing my head, but I maintain. Lost my dog, but I ain't shed tears. He really did, and that can't change. But as long as I'm still here, you gon' still live through all my name. And that won't change. He told me never let niggas play with you, cause you not a game. Playing this bang. I got some niggas that's touching the wall, then I'm showing the mercy and blow out his brains. 12 had some questions about some old licks that I hit in the past. I don't know a thing. They looking at me, but I'm not to blame. Ballin' on niggas, they calling me James. Get from around me, your energy stranger. I'm in my bag, I'ma keep dropping bangers. Bitch, I'm a star in a way you can tame us. Drowning in pain, now I think I'm in danger. I kept it real, cause that's just how I came. I remember in middle school, bitches, they played us. They ain't think we ain't grow up and be famous. Your love, you gotta prove to me it's really real. I can't put up with the lies. Please do not add to the pain that I feel. I got my head in the sky, cause that's the only thing helping me heal. Told me go harder, I told him I will. I'm on some shit cause I'm trying to get a deal. Ayy, came up selling pills, ayy. This week give me chills, ayy. I'm still in the field, ayy. It's good to be killed, ayy. They thought I was playing, I had to go harder and show 'em for real. Down bad and I had to steal, yeah. Scheming just to get a meal. Drip hard, watch out for the spill, yeah. Shipments they coming sealed. Judging grand niggas no appeals, yeah. I'ma stay out of jail. Hard times made me who I am, yeah. Something that they can tell. I think my heart turning into steel. Fuck it, I still gotta keep it real.